How to remove ads on Amazon Prime Video. Now in this video, I'll show you how you can remove ads if you're streaming on Amazon Prime Video. So first is of course pull up Amazon Prime Video application in your mobile device and ensure that you're using the updated version of the app. Now once you're here, make sure as well that you're logged in. Now tap on your profile icon at the center portion, and then in here, tap again on the gear icon so that you'll be redirected into settings. Choose on help and feedback, and then from here scroll down and then choose on Prime Video add-on subscriptions. Now from the search box, simply type in go ad free and then hit on the magnifying glass to search. Now choose on this option here that says sign up to go ad free, and this is going to be the official method for you to be able to remove ads on your Amazon Prime Video. So this is an actually a specific add-on that you can manually add onto your Amazon Prime subscription by just going into your account and then choose on Prime and then choose on Go Ad Free and then start the subscription. And that's it. That's how you remove ads on Amazon Prime Video.